Request from near and far, a request me banana. Hey, a big girl, them banana farmer.
Welcome to Wake Up and Live with Bob. This is Shaggy live at the West Palm Beach Jerk Fest.
Please on the track. get caught. Women never get caught. What them say? In everything, woman better than man. You see, men, we are stupid. You see, when a man go in a woman house go cheat and go in side piece, yeah? After he done him get up and he go in the bathroom and he go wash right or so. And he go up to him wife and lay down on the bed and think say she an idiot, say the whole house smell like funk and you smell like Irish Spring. Men, stupid. Women, smart. When the woman cheat now, we as man, we go in the mirror and she gone out and not come back till man, you know. And in the mirror and you rehearse everything you ever said to her. You can say, wait till I go back over. And then she coming through the door. And I said, hey, where you there? And she broke in on it. But I was over Tuesday, so you know, I went to make some casserole because you know that I knew say you love upstairs. And I get the best recipe for your upstairs. See, let me tell you something too, you know, say you love sports. And we as man, we say, men, stupid. Women, so if you get caught red-handed, you must not do like Tiger Woods. You should do like the true, undisputed player. Of all players. Bill Clinton. If you get caught red-handed, what you say? What you say? I did not have sexual relations with that woman. In other words, you look her in the eye with every seriousness. In your phone and your knee and you say, it wasn't. What you say? It never fear. Work every time. Work it. But did you get locked out? Are you there for the couch? You go in on one knee and look her in the eye. Give her a look like Judge Judy. And you say, with everything you have in you,